Hi, and welcome back to Fishing with David Pyle and Shinya Nakamine.
Aloha!
In beautiful Hawaii. Showed up on July 4th, and Shinya got me in the water on the 5th, and he got us into 2 fish with his dad on the boat. We got them both in. Beautiful ahi, 120 pounds for one. I don't know what was the other one. It was pretty big.
About 160 or so.
Yeah, nice, beautiful fish. And today, which is the 8th, Shinny and I decided, well, weather's gonna let us get out, so let's go out and fish. We came out here, and sure enough, bang, we got another ahi. Beautiful fish. So I gotta thank Shinya, my brother.
Anytime, bro. Once a year.
Yeah, we go way back, and man, this guy is great, my best friend. And I love coming here to Hawaii every year and fishing with him, but this is extra special because we got 3 fish in 2 trips, and you know, had some bad weather in between, so it just let up enough that we got out and got these fish. So you want to say anything on the camera?
It's all good.
It's all good. Anyway,
fun fishing.
Yeah, watch the video. We got some great footage, and we'll see you next time on Fishing with David Pyle from Hawaii.
The big boy.
All right, let's throw it out. Baby, 2 of them. We got this rod over here going, and this one double hunapa. So we bite that from the back corner, or bite it right here?
No, right there. Bite it right there.
Okay.
You got to make sure they don't get tangled together.
What the hell we got, man? It's not lucky.
Yeah, we could get rain. Crank up if you can. Sure. Push that. Panda. No, it's not good. Like that one? Or you want me to hand line it in?
Oh, let's freaking hand line this shit. Let's get them in. We got 2 of them. Let's get that one. Don't you think?
Yeah. Bring one at a time. What is it? Let's take this back on. Try Crank.
That's as far as she goes.
Yep. Okay, I got the leader.
want me to reduce the drag a little bit?
Yeah,
okay.
Keep the tip out if you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Need to loosen the drag again?
No. Get him away from the boat. I want him out there. I don't want him to see that little boat. Come on, circle, baby.
Got it?
Yep. Okay, hang him. Okay. Perfect. Get the gap, get the gap, get the gap, get the gap. Get the gap from in there. Gap from in there. Get the gap. Yeah, there you go. Gap. Yeah, you got him, you got him, you got him, you got him. That's good.
Is gap good enough?
No, that's good. Okay. Okay. Woo! Okay.
We bringing them in?
No, give me that gap right there. Yep. Pretty much done.
Do we have to do anything?
No, leave him there for now.
Okay, then we're on to this.
That's right. Okay,
Yeah.
get the gas ready. Well, let me load up on the bank stick.
Okay.
They take over for that.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe it's okay. Good size.
He's been working this fish.
Yeah. Oh, we can go home now.
You want the drag loosened or?
No, not yet.
Keep it tight.
Once I get the leader. Not all the way down now, just halfway.
Yeah. Enough if he needs to run.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just went down like.
Keep the tip up that way. Yeah.
Down there one ways. That's it. Do you want me to reduce the drag a little bit?
Drag and keep the tip out. Okay, get ready for the bank stick.
The bank stick.
Okay, you ready? Next round coming up. Okay. Next round coming up. Ready?
I'm ready.
Take them down, brother. Okay, go ahead. Oh, come on. Come on.
It's not popping. Sure it's loaded?
Okay, give me the gap. Give me the gap. Gap him, gap his head. Gap his head. Just gap him. Right there. Straight up. There you go. Almost to the gap. Okay. We let you bring his ass in.
Bring him in? You don't want to beat him up?
No. Bring his ass in first.
Jesus. Look at that fish. He's done.
All right. see it now.
You won't be able to see for very long. You can touch the back and get the...
That's fine.
Okay, and Captain Shitty's got us on another fish, and we're on the, what's the date today?
July 8th.
July 8th, 2018, here in Hawaii. And the center rod just started sizzling, so I'm working on this fish. We don't know what we have here.
It's most likely it's going straight down right now.
So tell us a little bit about how you rig this thing up, Shitty.
Rig it up, just put your lure on and start trolling. It's called hunting.
So we've been out for since two and a half hours now. Or no, hour and a half. 7:30 we start, it's 9 o'clock. Okay, we just have 180 feet now. We just saw our marker on the line.
That way, everybody, woo-hoo-hoo! Right on, brother. Woo!
Nice, good job, Shinny.
Nice, brother.
Heart of the ahi. I ate the last one out of one of our fish. I gotta go again because it's good luck for catching the next one.
Lighter cut.
Okay.
Okay. You can sharpen this knife up and get it dull.
So that's about a 1/4 inch, 3/8.
I'd make it 1/4 inch. I like them cut on a big size. Some people make it thinner. You know, you can make it 1/8 if you want. You know, people make it thin like this. You want to stretch it, but not really shy to stretch it. Yeah, and you just pick it up, put it on a plate, and good to go.
It's not loaded up with fat.